How to introduce ourselves? First of all, the people who are before you, in front of you, you will have to address them. And after that, what you want to be, where do you live, and how many family members are there, you will tell about them. And you will also tell about your aim. आपका एम क्या है वो कह सकते हो आप, ठीक है. एंड योर स्कूलिंग, इन विच स्कूल डू यू स्टडी, एंड इन विच कॉलेज, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक एडमिशन इन एनी कॉलेज, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो इंक्लूड दैट. उसको भी आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. किसी कॉलेज में आप जाना चाह रहे हैं तो आप बताएंगे मैं उस कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना चाहता हूँ, या आई हैव टेकन एडमिशन इन दैट कॉलेज. ये सारा सब कुछ आप बोल सकते हो, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट शुरुआत कैसे करना है आपको? गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल प्रेजेंट हियर, रिस्पेक्टेड सर, मैम, and all the dignitaries या respected people who are present here. This is, अपना नाम बताएंगे. जैसे this is R.S. Gaur before you. Today I have got a golden opportunity to introduce myself. So I want to tell something about me. As you have already heard my name, I am R.S. Gaur, an English teacher, a renowned faculty of English and English literature and grammar in this locality in Gwalior city. I have been teaching the students since 2000. So I have 26 years of teaching experience. I had some dreams when I was in college. I reared some dreams. I want to be an administrative officer like IAS, IPS officer, but unfortunately I couldn't do that due to some reasons. I will not tell all the reasons. If I tell you about the early education of my life I got from my village itself up to primary standard, and after that I appeared in Navodaya Vidyalaya exam and I got through that exam and I got admission in Navodaya Vidyalaya NCS class, that is situated in Bhind district in Ron Tehsil, Birkhadi Bhind. I completed my 10th class from there, and after that I was migrated to Shahdol district, Amarkantak, and I finished my 11th and 12th class from there with computer studies and technology. And after passing 12th class I came to my home and I was got married, as my parents were interested in marriage. That's why I was unable to oppose them. And after getting married, I came to Gwalior. I took admission in MLB college. That is a renowned college of Gwalior. That is autonomous college, government college. And I completed my graduation from MLB college with English literature, functional English, psychology. And after completion of graduation, I took admission again in MLB college for PG, means for post graduation, and I completed my graduation from MLB college itself with English literature. Before that, when I was a student in MLB college, I joined a coaching class of Mr. Ajay Patil sir. He used to teach at Sindegi Chhauni. I attended his spoken classes and I inspired with that teacher. And I was thinking that I will also start such type of class as my teacher is teaching, because at that time I was helpless, because my parents were living in the village and my father was farmer. That's why he was unable to support me in further education. So I started teaching since 2000. I started my first coaching at Kampu when I was a student of final year in MLB college, and after completion of my post graduation I shifted at Govardhan Colony, Golak Mandir, Gwalior. I started my tuition classes there, first tuition class after Kampu. And there was a teacher, Mr. A.K. Sharma. He used to teach chemistry. He invited me to teach at Golak Mandir. So I also started a second center at Golak Mandir also. So I used to teach at both the centers, and after that I heard the name of DD Nagar colony. I came to DD Nagar also. I started my third center in DD Nagar in D sector, DM 182, in the street of Pidambara Jewellers. I taught there 2 or 3 years. I was living at that time on rent, and in 2006 I shifted in my house, in this very house, and I closed all the centers and I resumed the classes only here. Till then I am teaching in this house, and after teaching for some years there was a demand of some junior students also, because parents used to come to me and they asked me, sir, छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं क्या आप? Then I used to deny them. But I was thinking that I should start a batch for 6th, 7th, 8th class also. So I started junior G batch for 6th, 7th, 8th class. And that is also running at present. And the time is fixed. I fixed the time for that batch at 6 p.m. And till then, I have never changed the time. That is also running today, 6 to 7. That is junior G batch. But I have some dreams also today. I want to start my own school, but there is financial constraint. That's why I am unable, because my children are studying and I am spending a lot on their education. So I am unable to collect some money for that starting school or for fulfilling my dreams. But I am thinking that either I will start a school or I will start a hospital, because my son is doing MBBS and this year he will complete his MBBS. After that he will apply for PG exam for MD doctor or MS, and if he continues the education, then I will start nothing. And if he starts practice or doing job, then I will either start a school or a hospital, a small hospital. Till then I will run some other things, and I will run my coaching also. So I am searching a land for that purpose, and I will shift the coaching in the end of the session somewhere else. Nowadays I am thinking a lot about my dreams, and I want to complete them. My hobbies, as far as my hobbies are concerned, my hobby is only reading books, teaching students. I get interest in teaching students, and I am also writing some books. I have completed one book this year itself. Presently it is going to publish. I think I will publish it on Independence Day. The name of that grammar book is The Art of English Grammar. I am going to publish on Independence Day. And the second book I am writing, that is for spoken English, The Art of Speaking English. And third book I will start. I will start after these two books. That will be of workbook for grammar. That is incomplete, but work is going on. And I am thinking about the fourth book also. I have written in my diary. That will be about TOEFL and IELTS exams, and how to appear in the exam, and who can appear in that exam, how to qualify that exam, which type of questions are asked in that exam, and if you get such and such marks, then which country you can choose for studying. Everything will be in that book. So this type of book I will also publish. I have lot of dreams, I have lot of things in my mind, but I am doing that. I am doing effort for that. I think I will fulfill some of the dreams. I have lot of dreams, but I will fulfill some of the dreams, because I am trying for that. I am just alone with my dreams. There are financial constraints, there is lack of time also, but I am trying. So this is all about me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. Sweet dreams. Thank you.